So as you can see, we've got the hinges now on, and put a handle on as well. And what I've done is just fitted this little plastic latch. Well, it's like a cupboard catch, and as you can see on the inside, when I push it in, it just locks in place and just keeps the door shut nice and tight, which is exactly what we want. So got this computer fan, and it turned out it was a bit bigger than I expected. So what I've decided to do is butcher an old adapter, and as you can see it says output 6 volts. The fan we've got is a 12 volt fan, so 6 volt fan, 6 volt adapter and a 12 volt fan. I'm going to wire these together. It should just go nice and slowly. It's brushless, so it'll be really silent. But yeah, a lot bigger than I expected, but that'll be okay. What we're going to do is, this is the back of our box, and we will drill a hole, cut a square, and then screw this onto the back so it's out of sight. Anyway, I'll let you know how it goes. Here we've got our fan working. So I used a 6 volt output adapter. You could use a variable adapter and change the power. I only want a slight breeze coming through my Biltong box, so that's going to be perfect for what we want. And as you can hear, it's absolutely silent because it's a brushless fan. So going to get this mounted on the box and then give it a test. Right, just so we're able to screw this fan in, I'm actually going to cut off some of the support just with a junior hacksaw. Okay, so now we should be able to easily screw this into our box. So we've got it all hooked up now. The light bulb's on, the fan is on, and just around the side, if we put our hands by the vents, even though that's only a 6 volt adapter, I can feel a nice little breeze coming out of, or not really a breeze, I can feel a nice movement of air through those holes, which means when we put our meat in here, it will definitely dry out. Make sure you check out part 3 of this little video series where we make our own biltong. Click on the links below for videos on how to wire up the DC fan. And if you haven't already, click to subscribe.